In this short tutorial, we'll teach you how to enable dark mode on roblox.com in a few simple steps. Whether you're a longtime Robloxian or just started, dark mode offers a welcome contrast to the UI, decreasing eye strain and adding a touch of sophistication to your browsing sessions. So first of all, log in to your Roblox account in roblox.com. Then click on gear icon at the top. Next, click on settings. You will be redirected to account info tab as shown here. So just scroll down the page and you will see theme section. By default it will have light theme. Just change it to dark. Then dark theme is applied immediately. Even if you go to other section of the page, the dark theme still remains there. If you want light theme again, you can simply go to the same section and change it to light as shown here. In this way we can change light and dark theme in roblox.com. Even if you log out and log in, the dark theme will still be there. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.